Through the storms and winter's breath, we have walked with war and death. Steel in hand and fire in eyes, hear the mountains as they rise. No chain can bind, no fear can break the oath we swore, the vows we made. Raise the fire, raise it high, let it burn across the sky. From the mountains we arise, hear our battle cry. Sons of flame, sons of stone, this land was carved in bone. Through the ashes, through the night, we stand as one. Rivers carved by ancient blades, legends born where heroes laid. Every scar a tale untold, every heart unbent, unbowed. If the dark should claim the land, we will make our final stand. Better